Hiring is hard, but losing a great hire in the first 30 to 90 days is worse, and most of the time it is not the person. It is the onboarding experience. Onboarding is the process from offer acceptance through the first 90 days and beyond. When it breaks, you see it fast. Confusion, delays, rework, early turnover. Here are the 12 problems that show up most often. Listen and see which ones sound familiar. First, misalignment starts before day one. Problem 1. The job description is misleading or outdated, so the role feels different than what they signed up for. Next, the gap before day one gets wasted. Problem 2. No preboarding. New hires show up and spend day one buried in forms instead of meeting people and learning how work gets done. Then day one becomes chaos. Problem 3. An overwhelming first day experience with too much admin and not enough structure. After that, you stop listening. Problem 4. No feedback collection. You repeat the same broken process because nobody tracks what new hires actually experience. Then information becomes a scavenger hunt. Problem 5. Poor quality or inaccessible information. Handbooks are outdated. Links break. Answers live in someone's inbox. Now the biggest one. Clarity. Problem 6. Unclear goals and expectations. People want to do a good job, but they cannot hit a target they cannot see. And even if you have onboarding software, people still struggle. Problem 7. No onboarding software training. Managers and new hires do not know where to click or what to complete. Then you flood them. Problem 8. Information overload. Too much too fast. Then the experience depends on who the manager is. Problem 9. Inconsistent onboarding experiences across teams and locations. Then you miss what different people need. Problem 10. Ignoring cultural and generational differences. Then you assume skills never need a refresh. Problem 11. Assuming skills do not need refreshing, even when tools, policies, and workflows change. And finally, you treat every role the same. Problem 12. Generic onboarding instead of role-specific tracks. If you fix just 3 things, you usually see the fastest change. Get paperwork out of day one with preboarding. Make goals and success criteria clear with a 30-60-90 plan. Standardize the experience so it stays consistent across managers and locations. This is where HR Cloud Onboard helps. You build role-based checklists, collect forms and e-signatures in one place, send automated reminders, and track progress in real time. So nobody wonders what is done and what is stuck. Teams use HR Cloud Onboard to make onboarding faster, cleaner, and more compliant. Osmose Utilities services automated field onboarding and save time while improving data accuracy and compliance. Interim Healthcare uses detailed onboarding checklists so they can put people in the field with confidence. MG Motor Europe digitized recruitment and onboarding with strong mobile adoption and less admin time. If your onboarding still depends on memory, spreadsheets, and follow-ups, what would change if every new hire had one clear path from offer to day one? Scan the QR code and book a free demo.